Hey, how are you doing? This is Analysis by Doing. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. Welcome to Analysis by Doing, a series of data analysis sessions in which we do hands-on projects analyzing data using Amazon Web Services. The target audience is aspiring data analysts and AWS Cloud enthusiasts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? We will exercise our AWS skills on the terrain of data science. Join us in our data analytics journey in the vehicle of Amazon Web Services. Welcome to the session on Seaborn-Overview. We will review our portfolio website before the Seaborn-Overview Project. Perform an overview of the following. Upgrade the data analysis environment in our Analysis EC2 instance, Seaborn Distributions module, Seaborn Categorical module, Seaborn Relational module, miscellaneous Seaborn plots, and saving and loading Seaborn plots. Then, update index.html to publish our Seaborn-Overview project. We will upload the new Seaborn-Overview project file to the S3 portfolio bucket. We will then review our updated portfolio website after the Seaborn-Overview project. Next, we will stop, but not terminate, the Analysis EC2 instance. Finally, we will perform best practices, review billing dashboard, and budget alarm. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series. Let's access our portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Navigate to aws.com. Click on Sign In on the top right. If Sign In page is shown, choose I am user and enter account ID and click Next. In the Sign In as I am user page, enter your admin username, enter the password and click on Sign In. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in CloudFront and hit Enter. Click on your portfolio website distribution. In the CloudFront distribution page Details section, click on the copy icon next to the distribution domain name. Open a new browser tab. Paste your portfolio URL in the address bar and hit Enter. In your website, you need to create a link to the Jupyter notebook that will document your Seaborn-Overview project. We have reviewed our portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Let us upgrade the data analysis environment in our Analysis EC2 instance. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in EC2 and hit Enter. Click on the Regions drop-down on top and select the region running your Analysis EC2. Mine is Ohio. In the left-hand side navigation pane, click on EC2 Dashboard. Click on Instances. Check the Analysis EC2 instance and pull up the Details pane below to review its public IP. Note that the public IP address is blank because the current instance state is stopped. Click the Instance State drop-down. Select Start Instance. Wait and refresh the screen until the status check shows 2 out of 2 checks passed. Check the box by the instance and click on the Connect button. In the Connect to Instance page, select the RDP Client tab. Click the Download Remote Desktop File button and save it in the Downloads folder. Click on Get Password button. In the Get Windows Password page, click on Browse to open the previously saved private key file. Click on Decrypt Password. Copy the password shown. Open the previously downloaded remote desktop file. To the Do You Want to Connect Anyway question, click on Connect button. In Enter Your Credentials window, paste the password from your clipboard and click OK. To the Do You Want to Connect Anyway question, click on Yes button. Having RDP'd into the Analysis EC2, set the Windows Administrator password to never expire instead of the default 42 days. In the Windows search bar, key in NetPLWiz and hit Enter. In the User Account window, click on the Advanced tab. Then click on the Advanced button. In the Local Users and Group window, in the left pane, click on the Users folder. In the middle pane, click on Administrator. right-click on Administrator and select Properties. In the Administrator Properties, click on the General tab. Check Password Never Expires. Click Apply. Click OK. Close all windows. In the Windows search bar, key in gpedit.msc and hit Enter. In the Local Group Policy Editor, in the menu on the left, navigate to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Account Policies, Password Policy. In the right pane, double-click Maximum Password Age. In Local Security Settings tab, click in the Password Will Expire in drop-down. Key in 999 days. Click Apply. Click OK. Close all windows. Having RDP'd into the Analysis EC2, click on the Anaconda Powershell command icon in the taskbar. Note that our current environment, shown in brackets before the current directory, is the default environment, called base. Update the package manager Conda to the latest version. Key in Conda Update Conda and hit Enter. This might take a while, so please be patient. If it asks for permission to install or update software, key in Y and hit Enter. Now let's update all the installed package libraries. Key in Conda Update --all and hit Enter. If it asks for permission to update or downgrade packages, key in Y and hit Enter. Wait and watch Conda download and install the latest versions of the package libraries. Let's list all the package libraries supplied by Anaconda and available in this base environment. At the command prompt, key in Conda List and hit Enter. Check the version of Python in the base environment by typing Python --version and hit Enter. Also, check the version of Jupyter Notebook in the base environment by typing Jupyter Notebook --version and hit Enter. Since Seaborn is not an executable program but a package of libraries, to check the version of the Seaborn package in the base environment, key in Conda List Seaborn and hit Enter. To read in and render PDF files from Jupyter Notebook, we need to install the Wand package. Check if we have the Wand package installed. Key in Conda List Wand. Note that Wand has a capital W and hit Enter. To check if we have the Python package manager in the base environment, key in Conda List PIP and hit Enter. To install the Wand package, key in pip install wand and hit Enter. Note that the Wand package expects the ImageMagick package to be installed and available. Close the Anaconda Powershell command window. But before we dive into Seaborn, let's create a couple of images. Having RDP'd into the Analysis EC2 instance, in the Windows search bar, key in Paint. Select the Paint app. Make it full screen. In the Paint app, choose color Purple. Select the rounded rectangle shape. Click on the Size drop-down. Select the thickest size. Draw a rectangle from the first vertical bar in the menu to the right side of the first color bar. Set the rectangle width to about 1/3 of the length, about 1280 by 500 pixels. Within Tools, click on A for text. Choose color Rose. Click on Fill tool. Click within the rectangle. Within Tools, click on A for text. Choose dark red. Within the rectangle, draw a text box as big as the rectangle. With the default font Calibri at size 11, key in 4 spaces, Seaborn Library in all caps, and hit enter. 6 spaces, an overview, and hit enter. 12 spaces, by Manu Vasudevan, which is my name, but you may use yours, and hit enter. Use up arrow key to go to the first text line. Using shift and down arrow keys, select the Seaborn Library line. Choose font Impact. Select font size 48. Select the An Overview line. Choose font Seago Script. Select font size 36. Select the by Manu Vasudevan or your name line. Choose font Seago Print. Select font size 22. Click outside the rectangle. Click on Select and choose Select All. Click on Crop and close the painted rectangular area. Click on Crop again. Click File, Save As, and JPEG Picture. In the Save As File Explorer window, navigate to folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. If subfolder Project 4 does not exist, in the right pane, right-click and select New Folder. Name the new folder Project 4 and press Enter. Click on the Project 4 folder. Click on New Folder to create a subfolder. Name the subfolder Images and hit Enter. Double-click on Images. Save the image as sb-title.jpg. Close the Pane tab. In the left pane, navigate to folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 1, Images. Select Setup Video.jpg. Right-click and copy. In the left pane, select Project 4, Images. In the right pane, right-click and paste the picture. We will also need a data folder for our project. In the left pane, click on folder Project 4. Right-click on the right pane. Select New, then Folder. Name the subfolder Data and hit Enter. Close File Explorer. Let us download the data and image files that we will need in our project. In the taskbar, click on the Chrome browser icon. In the search bar, key in Yahoo Finance AAPL and hit Enter. Click on the Apple Incorporated Stock Price, News, Quote and History link. In the Yahoo Finance Apple Inc. page, click on the Historical Data tab. Click on the Time Period drop-down. For start date, key in January 1st, 2021. For end date, key in December 31st, 2021. Click Done. Then click Apply. Click on the download link to download and save the aapl.csv file. After the download completes, click on the aapl.csv link. Press Alt and Home to switch the browser back to the Google search page. In the search bar, key in Overview of Seaborn Plotting Functions and hit Enter. Click on the Overview of Seaborn Plotting Functions link. In the Overview of Seaborn Plotting Functions page, scroll down to the flowchart. Right-click the image and select Save Image As. Save the image as function_overview.png in the Downloads folder. After the download completes, click on the function_overview.png link. In the taskbar, click on the File Explorer icon. In the left pane, navigate to Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 4, Data. Next, in the left pane, click on the Downloads folder. Select the newly downloaded aapl.csv file. Move it to the Data folder under the Project 4 folder. In the left pane, navigate to Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 4, Images. Next, in the left pane, click on the Downloads folder. Select the newly downloaded function_overview.png file. Move it to the Images folder under the Project 4 folder. Close File Explorer. We need to install the ImageMagick package. In Chrome, press Alt and Home to switch the browser back to the Google search page. In the search bar, key in ImageMagick Download for Windows 10 and hit Enter. Note that Magic is spelled with a CK at the end. Click on the Download ImageMagick link. In the download page, click on the Windows Binary Release link. Click on the ImageMagick file name ending in x64-dll.executable. After the download completes, click next to the ImageMagick file link. Click Open. In the Setup ImageMagick link window, accept the license agreement and click Next. In the information page, scroll down and read the recommendation to install Ghostscript. Note that ImageMagick uses Ghostscript to render PostScript and PDF files. Click on Next. In the Select Destination page, accept the default destination and click Next. In the Select Start Menu folder page, accept the default Start Menu folder and click Next. In the Select Additional Tasks page, check Install Development Headers and Libraries for C and C++ and click Next. In the Ready to Install page, review the settings shown and click Install. In the Information page, review the commands suggested to check Successful Installation and click Next. In the Completing ImageMagick Setup Wizard page, uncheck the View index.html option and click Finish. Click on the Windows icon and click on ImageMagick dropdown. Click on ImageMagick Display. In the IM Display application window, click the Help menu option. Click the About IM Display. Review the About IM Display info and click OK. Click on the File menu option and select Exit. We have successfully installed the ImageMagick package. Next, we need to install the Ghostscript application. In Chrome, press Alt and Home to switch the browser back to the Google search page. In the search bar, key in Ghostscript Download for Windows 10 and hit Enter. Click on the Download Ghostscript link. In the download page footer, click on Agree to allow cookies. Click on the Ghostscript for Windows 64-bit AGPL release link. After the download completes, click beside the Ghostscript executable file link. Click Open. In the Welcome to Ghostscript Setup window, click Next. In the License Agreement screen, click on I agree. In the Choose Install Location screen, accept the default and click Install. In the Completing Ghostscript Setup page, uncheck Show README option and click Finish. Click on the Windows icon and click on Ghostscript dropdown. Click on Ghostscript. In the Ghostscript application window, review the installed and ready Ghostscript version number. Close the Ghostscript application window. We have successfully installed the Ghostscript package. Close the Chrome browser. Click on the Anaconda Powershell command icon in the taskbar. Note that we're working in the base environment as indicated in the left corner of the command prompt. In the command window, enter the command pwd and press Enter. Note that your present working directory is your home directory. Key in Jupyter Notebook and press Enter. The Notebook dashboard opens in our default browser, Chrome. Click on your project folder ABD Portfolio 1. Click on folder Project 4. Click on the New drop-down in the top right. Select Python 3 for the notebook kernel type. In the menu bar, below the notebook name, click on the File drop-down. Click on Save As. In the Save As pop-up window, append the file name Seaborn-Overview and click Save. Note that the entitled file name has been replaced by Seaborn-Overview. Click on the plus icon to add plenty of cells. Within the first cell, click in the white space outside the input field. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in, within angle brackets, img src equals, within quotes, images/sb-title.jpg, alt equals Seaborn library within quotes. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in. This code is available in this video's description for you to copy in. Then hit Alt and Enter. Click on the image to launch the Environment Setup YouTube video in a new browser tab. In the Video Browser tab, stop the video. In the address bar, key in Wikipedia MIT license and hit Enter. Click on MIT License Wikipedia. Scroll down and copy the license terms to your clipboard. Close the Wikipedia page tab. Back in the Notebook Overview document page, click on the white space just outside the input field of the input cell to make it the active current cell and enter command mode. Press M to make your current cell type Markdown. Click inside the input field. Paste the license terms from your clipboard. Update the year and copyright holder name. Then press Ctrl and Enter. Press S to save your notebook. Press A to create a new empty cell above the current one. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in #Seaborn, a high-level user-friendly wrapper on the matplotlib library. Its functions plot with so many default settings that most typical plots can be accomplished with a few lines of code. Then hit Alt and Enter. Check the version of Python that we are working on. Key in the code !Python --version. Then hit Alt and Enter. Import the matplotlib library. Key in the code from importlib.metadata import version. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Version within parentheses within single quotes matplotlib. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of matplotlib that we are working with. Import the pandas library. Key in the code import pandas as PD. pd.version . Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of pandas that we are working with. Import the NumPy library. Key in the code import NumPy as np. np.version . Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of NumPy that we are working with. Import the Seaborn library. Key in the code import Seaborn as SNS. sns.version . Then hit Alt and Enter. Note the version of Seaborn that we are working with. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in two hashtags, the datasets for this overview project. Then hit Alt and Enter. Read in and list out the Apple stock price data frame. Key in the code AAPL_DF equals pd.readcsv within parentheses within quotes data/aapl.csv AAPL_DF. Then hit Alt and Enter. Convert the date column type to datetime index. Key in the code AAPL_DF within brackets within quotes date equals pd.datetimeindex within parentheses AAPL_DF within brackets within quotes date. AAPL_DF.info open and close parentheses. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that the date column is of type DateTime Index. Seaborn provides some built-in datasets. Key in the code sns.get_dataset_names, open and close parentheses. Then hit Alt and Enter. Load Seaborn's built-in dataset penguins into a pandas data frame. Key in the code penguins_df equals sns.loadDataset within parentheses penguins.dropNA function. Penguins_df.toCSV within parentheses data/penguins_df.csv, index equals false. Penguins_df. Then hit Alt and Enter. We have saved the penguins_df data frame to our project/data folder for future reference. Load Seaborn's built-in dataset diamonds into a pandas data frame. Key in the code diamonds_df equals sns.loadDataset within parentheses diamonds.dropNA function. Diamonds_df.to_CSV within parentheses data/diamonds_df.csv, index equals false. Diamonds_df, then hit Alt and Enter. We have saved the diamonds_df data frame to our project/data folder for future reference. Filter out the fair cut diamonds less than 1.5 carats into a new data frame object. Key in the code diamondsFair equals diamondsDF within brackets diamonds_df.cut equals to fair, and diamonds_df.carat is less than 1.5 copy function. Diamonds_fair.sort values within parentheses carat, in place equals true, ignore index equals true. Diamonds_fair. Then hit Alt and Enter. We have sorted the rows on the carat column. Load Seaborn's built-in dataset cars into a pandas data frame. Key in the code carsDF equals sns.loadDataset within parentheses mpg.dropNA function. Cars_df.toCSV within parentheses data/carsdf.csv, index equals false. CarsDF. Then hit Alt and Enter. We have saved the carsDF data frame to our project/data folder for future reference. Create a smaller cars dataset with only the 4 and 6 cylinder cars. Key in the code cars 4 and 6 sil equals cars_df within brackets carsdf.cylinders.isin within parentheses within brackets 4, 6. Cars 4 and 6 sil. Then hit Alt and Enter. Note that the new dataset is a shallow copy which refers to the original cars dataset. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in 3 hashtags. Seaborn plots are broadly classified under relational, distributional, and categorical modules. Each module has one figure-level plot function, which wraps over many axes-level plot functions. Figure-level module function interfaces with its axes-level plot functions using the kind parameter. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape and then M to make the new cell a markdown cell. In the new cell, click and key in image source equals images/function overview.png, alt equals function overview. Then hit Alt and Enter. Press Escape key to ensure that you are in command mode. Press S to save the Seaborn Overview document. Close the notebook. In the notebook dashboard, click on the Quit button. Close the browser window. Close the Anaconda Powershell command window. Close File Explorer if open. We have upgraded the data analysis environment in our Analysis EC2 instance. Let's understand the Seaborn Distributions module. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series.